Welcome to Gino Adventure. Today, we're at Woodbine Beach exploring winter stations.
Come with us to explore these beautiful art installations on the beach.
Come on, let's go.
Conrad the raccoon was a raccoon that died in Toronto. People made him a little memorial after the city didn't clean him up for a while, and that's how he became famous. This is the next exhibit.
This exhibit would have been cool if people didn't throw rocks in it, but it still sounds pretty.
This is called the Ripple Hut. Can you climb on top of it? Oh my God.
Slide down. That was awesome.
This
one's called Winter Net. Is it? This exhibition is called The Home. On to the next one. Oh, that was cool. This one's called The Lighthouse.
It was nice to come down to the beach just to see winter stations.
These art exhibits here are really fun to see, and it's definitely worth a visit to come.
See you at the next adventure. Bye.